Hello guys, in production we have to turn the debugging off. So while turning the debugging off, the static file will not work, so we will lose the styling for the admin as well as other the front end. So I will show you how to serve the static file in production. Let me go to my project directory and open the setting.py. So I will turn this off. This the debug. I will turn the debugging false. So let us restart our Python application. I will restart my Python application in order to grasp the change I have done. So go to admin panel. As you see, the style is lost because the debugging in setting is false, since Django strictly prohibits to turn on the debugging mode in production for the security reason. So while turning off the debugging mode, styles will be lost since static files are not served. So in order to fix that, we have to do few steps. First, let us go to the terminal. Then after going to terminal, we have to copy the virtual environment. I have copied the virtual environment. So in production, we can use white noise in order to serve static file. So I will search white noise. As you see, this is a white noise. So first I will add static root base directory inside setting file. I will copy this and go to setting.py. Okay, already it has been added, as you see, but you should add static root, this one, in your setting file. Then I will go to and copy the white noise middleware. I will copy it and I will place it below the security middleware. I will go to the Django setting and place this. As you see, this is security middleware, and I will paste my white noise here. Then I have to install the white noise in my Django application. So it is pipe install white noise. So I have successfully installed the white noise. Then the remaining task is to run the collect static command. So I will hit Python manage.py collect static. False. Okay, I'm sorry, I have misspelled the false in my debugging file. I will go and fix this. Yeah, there is a misspelling here. After changing in, if you made a change in your project, you have to restart your Python application. So your Python will grasp the changes. Then let us run again the collect static. So 212 static file have been copied to my static file. Then if I run my admin panel, the style has been returned. So as you see, my static file are served. So basically what we have done is I have turned the debug int false, then added this white noise middleware. As you see, it should be below security middleware. Then I have added static roots. Then I installed in terminal the white noise library. Then I have run the python manage.py collect statics. That is all to serve your static file in production. Thank you for watching. If you find my video useful, please like and subscribe.